don't trade for fame, I trade for change. Locked on the chart like a beast in a cage. Spreads get tight, I'm slicing the range. Breakout mode, I'm flipping the page. Wicks get wicked, I don't panic. Pressure builds, but I move mechanic. I ain't in luck, I'm deep in planning. Candles dance, I'm the one commanding. Click that pair, analyze clean. Risk real small, reward obscene. No FOMO, I stay serene. While they chase gold, I print machines. Scalp with the speed of a microsecond. All in my zone, I don't need no weapon. MetaTrader loaded, I don't need guessing. Learn from loss, that's a real life lesson. Just don't lie, so I listen close. Train my eye, now I diagnose. Hit that TP, stack it slow. Now my broker calling like bro. Whoa, never been average, I'm savage with stats. Every trade backed by 100 facts. Never revenge, never chase those tracks. I flip comp profits, no hard attacks. Came from the dirt with a demo dream. Now I'm pulling pips in a live regime. Talking RIC with the Magdalene. Trendline sniper, ultra clean. I see the fake flex, blow an account. Talk big game, but they can't recount. I play slow, then I pounce. One good setup worth that amount. Charts don't lie, no cap, no wish. Stack them wins, clean and crisp. Broker hate me, cry like a snitch. Cause I print pips like it's a glitch.
Discipline, grind, locked in fate. Took that loss, reset, don't wait. You want freedom, learn this trade. Forex is war, but I dominate. I listen close, train my eye, now I diagnose. Hit that TP, stack it slow. Now my broker calling like bro. Whoa, never been average, I'm savage with stats. Every trade backed by 100 facts. Never revenge, never chase those tracks. I flip comp profits, no hard attacks. Took that loss, reset, don't wait. You want freedom, learn this trade. Forex is war, but I dominate.
Yeah, click clack over that MT5. Charts go live, let the beast arrive. Scalp that gold, let the pivot survive. One shot trade, make the market dive. Wicked and wicked, I'll flip that zone. Entries tight like a stitched up cone. SEO set like a bulletproof bone. No emotion on the chart, cutting clone. Yo, bird running up with a technical flow. Trend line straight like a sniper's throw. RSC hitting that over so low, then boom, reversal profits blow. No luck, no wish, no genie, just grind in the lab like a Forex Houdini. Study that chart till my eyes go steamy. Eat fake outs like a 5-star linguine. Track demolition, I don't ask permission. Precision, ambition, no flinching condition. Tunnel vision on mission, I'm slicing division. While rookies blow up, I flip intuition. Pro could be stressing, I'm pressing the edge. Blessed with the question, no blessing the pledge. I don't need luck, just a wedge in the sledge. Cut through trends like I'm slicing hedge. Speed like Tesla, grind like Nipsey. Charts in my brain like a high-speed gypsy. Flip through time frames, mind so crispy. Trade so clean, even haters feel tipsy. Draw down small, but my train's real large. Patience my weapon and risk my charge. Discipline deep like a monk in a march. This ain't no hobby, I own this barge. Cooking in the zone with a zone in my dome. You fold in your trades while I call that home. No signal, no copy, I built this throne. Now every pit feel carved in stone. No, I'm cooking in the zone with a zone in my dome. You fold in your trades while I call that home. No signal, no copy, I built this throne. Now every pit feel carved in stone. No come a witch, no genie, just grind in the lab like a Forex Houdini. Trend live like a Forex Houdini. Pivot up, trend like a Forex Houdini. No luck, no wish, no genie, just grind in the lab like a Forex Houdini. Study that chart till my eyes go steamy. Eat fake outs like a 5-star linguine. Chart demolition, I don't ask permission. Precision, ambition, no pledge and condition. Chart demolition, I don't ask permission. All rookies blow up, I flip intuition. Chart demolition, I don't ask permission. Precision, ambition, no pledge and condition. Chart demolition, I don't ask permission. All rookies blow up, I flip intuition. Put it with loss, now I'm breaking the chain. Every late night turned into gain. I conquered fear, I mastered pain. Now the Forex don't doubt my name. Chart demolition, I don't ask permission. Charts go live, let the beast arrive.
Yeah. Tick, tick, boom, I'm up with the charts in the room. Zoom out candles, I scan for the doom. Trend line tight, got a sniper's broom. Clearing resistance like I'm sweeping a tomb. No cartoon is real, that grind insane. Mind like math, every trade in frame. Bottom brain, I dominate lanes. Broker crime when I enter the game. Backtested strategies laced in code. Compound profits, I don't implode. MetaTrader weapon, watch me reload. Fast on the trigger like I'm in beast mode. Psych in check, discipline's God tier. No fear here, even if loss near. Risk is calculated, fate rotated. Equity climbing while fear deflated. Slay the market, 1 pip, 2 pip. Chart on fire, no slip, no dip. Zone locked in, got a vice like grip. This that Forex gospel script gets flipped. Woke up broke, now I quote like a beast. Stop eating L's like I quit that feast. Form C drops, I don't flinch in least. I dance on news while y'all get fleeced. Full of bear, I don't care who show. Patterns in motion like kung fu flow. Wick to wick, I pick my blow. Precision got brokers saying, woo! I'm scalping fast, no capping fam. Spread too wide, I adjust the plan. Risk on point like a surgeon's hand. All this from grind, no lucky man. Haters chatter, but I master patterns. Batter the ladder, shatter their chatter while they flatter. Losses, I gather data. Flip that margin, boom, see you later. Slay the market, kill the fear. Broke the cycle, shift the gear. Candle burns, I persevere. Now my pip stack's crystal clear. From rookie to ruler, I paid my dues. Late night trades and I never snooze. It's Forex forever, I lit that fuse. Now watch me win, I don't ever lose. Yeah. Low, I wake with the charts in my retina. Candlesticks flicking like cinema. Analyze data with stamina. Scalping the spread like a predator. Leverage lit, got the margin right. News hit fast, but I'm sharp in fight. Risk real tight, I don't bark, I bite. Charts in the dark, but I spark in sight. Flipping the pips like a gymnast twist. Calculating lots, I don't ever miss. Trading psychology, that's the abyss. If you tilt, you slip, that's a deadly kiss. I don't panic, I plan it, mechanical habit. My passion is savage, my journal is magic. No luck in the zone, it's deliberate action. Forex assassin, precision with traction. My pip law, too fast, too raw. Charts like code, I read that law. Stop loss, set, I don't withdraw. Hit TP, then laugh, ha ha, oh. I'm flipping them trades while you flipping a coin. I'm locked in the zone, ain't playing with toys. While rookies chase gold like they stuck in the noise. I'm pulling in pips like I'm Floyd with poise. Double top pop, then I drop in clean. Fibonacci plotted with a sniper beam. Risk to reward, got a tight regime. This ain't a game, it's a money machine. See me on MetaTrader, slicing data, spitting flames on pairs like I'm Darth Vader. I'm a chart invader, risk calculator. From demo player to market slayer. Pip God mode, too fast, too raw. Charts like war, I obey no law. Broker sweating, I see their flaw. Profit stack tall, bro, that's Forex lore. Sleep late, no quit, no fear in the fight. This is Forex life, gotta earn that right. From red to green, yeah, I made that flight. Now I'm Pip God living in the candlelight. Call me a pip god, too fast, too raw. Charts like code, I read that law. Stop, loss set, I don't withdraw. Hit TP, then laugh, ha ha, ah. Call me a pip god, too fast, too raw. Charts like code, I read that law. Stop, loss set, I don't withdraw. Hit TP, then laugh, ha ha, ah. Pip nah, too fast, too raw. Charts like code, I read that law. Stop, loss set, I don't withdraw. Hit TP, then laugh, ha ha, ah. Call me a pip god, too fast, too raw. Charts like code, I read that law. Stop, loss set, I don't withdraw. Hit TP, then laugh, ha ha, ah. Pip nah. Yo. Flipping them trades while you flipping a coin. I'm locked in the zone, ain't playing with toys. While rookies chase gold like they stuck in the noise. I'm pulling in pips like I'm Floyd with poise. Double top pop, then I drop in clean. Fibonacci plotted with a sniper beam. Risk to reward, got a tight regime. This ain't a game, it's a money machine. See me on MetaTrader, slicing data, spitting flames on pairs like I'm Darth Vader. I'm a chart invader, risk calculator. From demo player to market slayer. Pip God mode, too fast, too raw. Charts like war, I obey no law. Broker sweating, I see their flaw. Profit stack tall, bro, that's Forex lore. See me on MetaTrader, slicing data, spitting flames on pairs like I'm Darth Vader. I'm a chart invader, risk calculator. From demo player to market slayer. Pip God mode, too fast, too raw. Charts like war, I obey no law. Broker sweating, I see their flaw. Profit stack tall, bro, that's Forex lore. Yo, don't quit, no quit, no fear, no fight. It's the Forex life, gotta earn that right. From red to green, yeah, I made that flight. Now I'm Pip God living in the candlelight.
Doubts are phony, charts on my screen. Candle moving fast like I'm chasing a dream. Discipline tight, mind stay clean. No gamble here, this a money machine. Support resistance, I know my zone. Market speak loud, I hear the tone. While they sleep, I'm in my zone. Risk control sharp, I trade alone. This ain't luck, this grind is focus. Every pip earned, yeah, the work's ferocious. Drawdowns come, but I stay ferocious. Mind on the prize, future's the closest. Practice done, now I play it live. Journal my moves, keep the edge alive. News hit the wires, I don't just dive. Wait for the setup, let the strategy thrive. Patience pays, greed will wreck. Stick to the plan, collect that check. Lost size tight, no need to flex. Smart traders build, don't chase the next. This ain't luck, this grind is focus. Every pip earned, yeah, the work's ferocious. Drawdowns come, but I stay ferocious. Mind on the prize, future's the closest. Forex ain't a game, it's a mindset shift. With Charles and Karma, let my life uplift. One trade, one plan, no myth. Motivated by fruit, not just being rich. Support resistance, I know my zone. Market speak louder than a Sony machine. Support resistance, I know my zone. Market speak loud, I hear the tone. While they sleep, I'm in my zone. Risk control sharp, I trade alone. This ain't luck, this grind is focus. Every pip earned, yeah, the work's ferocious. Drawdowns come, but I stay ferocious. Mind on the prize, future's the closest. Ain't luck, this grind is focus. Every pip earned, yeah, the work's ferocious. Drawdowns come, but I stay ferocious. Mind on the prize, future's the closest. Practice done, now I play it live. Journal my moves, keep the edge alive. News hit the wires, I don't just dive. Wait for the setup, let the strategy thrive. Patience pays, greed will wreck. Stick to the plan, collect that check. Lost size tight, no need to flex. Smart traders build, don't chase the next. This ain't luck, this grind is focus. Every pip earned, yeah, the work's ferocious. Drawdowns come, but I stay ferocious. Mind on the prize, future's the closest. But I stay ferocious. Mind on the prize, future's the closest. Forex ain't a game, it's a mindset shift. With charts and karma, let my life uplift. One trade, one plan, no myth. Motivated by fruit, not just being rich. Not to speak louder, the Sony machine. Forex ain't a game, it's a mindset shift. With charts and calm, I let my life uplift. One trade, one plan, no myth. Motivated by